My name is Kasper. I'm 30 years old, and I'm the owner of a company called One Funky Furniture, where I make unique furniture, especially designed for each of my customers to fit their wishes. I started my company about a year ago, at which point I was lucky enough to get some old floorboards from a colleague of mine who was renovating his house. A typical day for me begins at my local coffee shop in Copenhagen. I sit and gather my thoughts and plan the tasks for the day. I get through emails and invoices, and then I drive out to my workshop. My father was the one who taught me how to approach the different materials, but I've also used my creativity to create something that had my unique expression. My father taught me not to be afraid to try new things. He also said that you do not learn anything unless you try it yourself. He made me believe that you can do so much more than you think you're capable of. It's extremely important to me to have the correct tools. When I started out a year ago, I only had my own little toolbox. I bought cheap alternatives, but quickly realised I wasn't helping myself out in the end. It's great to finally have all the right tools and to be able to feel the difference it makes in my work. A great power tool, to me, is something that is thought through, where you can see and feel that someone has put thought into how the tool should actually be used. I had a really positive experience one day with a vacuum cleaner that we'd bought for the workshop. We realised that we could connect the vacuum cleaner to different Bosch tools and that it would automatically turn on and off whenever we used the tools. That's genius. It's the little things like this which make the whole difference for our everyday work. An advantage of working with the recycled wood is that it has a special finish and design, which gives it a beautiful expression. It has a soul. I feel as though the wood speaks to me, and I can feel that it has a story to tell. I often daydream about the history of the wood as I'm working. Where does it come from, and what has it been used for? This history makes me care for the wood a little more, to ensure I keep its integrity. The special and important thing about my job is that I get to create something that others have envisioned for their home. I know exactly what it'll look like when I'm done, but I'm not always 100% sure of the steps I'll take to get there. However, when I'm standing and looking at a finished piece of furniture, and it is exactly what I'd wished for, I feel a rush of pride. It is a truly wonderful feeling.